Hi everybody, you can see in the reflection that there's a Daniel is helping us to make a video. He's gonna take pictures. So I didn't buy this one. It's really common. You can buy this in I believe in the Lowe's or Home Depot. 1800 psi, and I just want to show you how it works. It's really interesting tool. So we're gonna try with the different tips. I already tried to clean, but it didn't really work. So look, this is the pressure what it makes. You can basically clean anything with this. I don't know what is it, like fatty the car or what, but it's not cleaning the actual dirt. You can try it here. Look on the tip, it doesn't even clean. So we can say maybe it's a wrong tip. Sure, could be wrong. Let's try a red one. But I don't need to destroy my car with this tip. I'm not sure what it does. Let's try this one, maybe. This one is much better. Let's probably for this gold. So majority what people use, this is the one. On the sales guy says, this is the piece. Where's the piece? Let's even move the bucket. Maybe this one. So the conclusion is, don't buy this shit. Don't buy this shit. Spend a little bit more money, buy the normal equipment, and use that. Yes, it's more expensive, but buy this one. This is just a wasting of money. Really wasting of money. So everybody buy, subscribe, hit the like, or whatever you're doing. Bye.